So to start with this tutorial, I'm gonna make a slip knot or a magic loop and any number of chain. Depending on your project, you make a certain number, but for now I'll chain 10 just for the demonstration. So here I have my chain. I'm gonna make a single crochet in every chain. Okay, here my first row is completed. Now on to the next row, I'm gonna chain 2, so I'm gonna skip this first stitch. Now I'm gonna work my single crochet in the next stitch. So one single crochet, chain 1, skip the next single crochet, and one single crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, skip the next single crochet, one single crochet in the next stitch till the end of the row. Chain 1, skip one single crochet, and one single crochet. Okay, and here in my last row I'm gonna do a single crochet. If you have 2 stitches in your last row, then you skip one and you do a single crochet, but if you have only 1 stitch, you only do a single crochet. Now I'll chain 2, and then I'm gonna skip these 2 and make my single crochet in the spaces, the chain 1 spaces of the previous stitches. So one single crochet in the space, chain 1, single crochet in the next space, chain 1, single crochet in the next space, chain 1, and single crochet into the last one. I'll chain 2 again, and I'll keep repeating the same thing, single crochet in all the spaces by chaining 1 in the same time. So it's that easy. The only thing is starting the foundation of the space and the single crochet, and you keep doing the same thing in each row, just a single crochet in every space and chaining 1 as you work your project. So I hope it was easy to follow. Let me know what you think in the description box, or if you have any question, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.